Hello viewers, welcome to the Python Academy channel. My name is Afan and my passions are computers, softwares, digital art, gaming. My goal is to make a computer-related tutorials on different softwares that I believe are useful for kids. I'll try my best to make the videos simple and fun. From this video onwards, I'm starting a new playlist teaching MS PowerPoint, which is a very useful software. MS stands for Microsoft, which is the name of the company. You may know Bill Gates owns Microsoft. PowerPoint belongs to MS Office software package. MS Office also contains other softwares such as MS Word, which is used for making written documents, letters, brochures, etc. MS Office also contains other softwares such as MS Excel, which is used for organizing data in spreadsheets, and few more which we will learn later. So why do we need PowerPoint? It lets you make beautiful presentations. And why do we need to make any presentation? Well, there are many reasons kids may require to make presentations. For example, class teacher may give you assignment to make a presentation on any specific topic. Another example is that you went on a picnic and took lots of photos and recorded videos. Now PowerPoint is a great tool to organize that data in a presentation form, which will make your picnic memorable. You can make a digital photo album for any event. If you want to start your own YouTube channel on explaining scientific experiments, you can make simple animations in PowerPoint for your channel. I have added quizzes and assignments. You have actually learned what you have seen in the video. Let's have a quiz to check how much you have learned in this video so far. Which of the following is not part of the MS Office suite? A. MS Word, B. MS PowerPoint, C. MS Excel, D. Photoshop. If you guessed D, then you're correct. Question number 2. PowerPoint is not used for A. Making presentations, B. Editing photos, C. Making simple animation, D. Making digital family photo album. If you guessed B, then you are correct. PowerPoint is not basically designed for photo editing. There are other tools like Photoshop for that purpose. So watch out my next video of this playlist to start journey of learning PowerPoint. If you like this video, please press like button. Also press bell icon to subscribe to my channel. You will get update to my upcoming videos. Bye bye.